Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be doing my natural makeup routine. So let's get started. Okay, so first I start off with my e.l.f. primer and I just put that all over my face. Okay, so primer is on, and next I move on to my eyebrows. So like I said, I move on to my eyebrows and I just use this this dip brow stuff by L'Oreal, because I'm not paying like $18 to use no freaking Anastasia Beverly Hills dip brow stuff. That stuff costs like what, $18? Like, no. I went to Walmart and I brought this dip brow stuff and it works just fine. So, okay. I go in with this Colossal mascara by Maybelline. I just put that on my eyelashes. And guys, keep in mind, this same makeup routine that I'm doing right now is the same makeup routine that I would do in school, because my school starts at 7:20 and I would literally have to wake up at like 6:30 to get ready, and I just do not have, like, not even 6:30, like probably like at 5 something. Like, I really just do not have like time to get ready. So and I do not feel like waking up early, so I literally just do this exact makeup routine. It's not that long, it's not too heavy, and it's just really like simple to make me at least look alive, you know? Okay, so after I finish applying my mascara, I go in and wipe off the excess, because I usually make a mess with my mascara, and I just go in and like just clean it up to make it look decent. After I have done my little mascara cleanup, I then go in with some blush, and I use this one. It's ALMAY. Yeah, ALMAY. This blush right here. I just put that all over my face. Next is lips, and this is the final step, by the way. And I do like a little lip combination. I'm gonna show y'all. Okay, so I'm getting close. Hi. Okay. So I line my lips with a brown lip liner. And after I have lined my lips, I then go in with this Lipstick is by Avon. I don't know how you pronounce that, but by Avon, and I just put it like in the center of my lips.
Like so, like that. And I just rub it in.
Lastly is some lip gloss. I don't need a mirror for this, I'm a pro. And I also have a little beauty mark on the top of my lip, and I just like to bring that out because I'm not ashamed of her. And just like that, she's pretty. Alrighty, and we are done. So thank you guys so much for watching my video. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. You guys already know the most important thing. And make sure you guys follow me on all my social medias. Thank you, and again, subscribe. Alrighty guys, I will see you guys later. Bye.